Great product review here. Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh low-profile 3-ton hydraulic jack. I'm unboxing it here. This is the way it comes from the store. And again, purchased it at Harbor Freight. Got it on sale. It's usually running $139.99. I got this one for $109.99 plus tax, of course. But as you can see, unboxing it, your handles come out. Of course, two-piece handle snaps together. Got a complete owner's manual to it. And again, it is the low-profile floor jack. And I'll let you know here and show you exactly why I needed a low profile and probably why you could benefit from owning one too. So snap the handle together here and just put it in the part that goes into the front of the jack there, the back of the jack for your leverage. It does have a little screw that goes inside of that, special screw that holds the handle in. You always want to make sure that's secure. If you don't, when you try to back up the jack, you'll wind up hitting yourself or hitting another vehicle with the end of the jack handle, so be aware of that at all times. So make sure that everything turns left and right. Of course, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. First thing you'd want to do is take the cover off. This cover is on top of the hydraulic pump unit itself, and it's got a couple of screws here that don't really give you good directions on which one you need to remove to be able to bleed the system. And by that I mean you want to make sure you get the air out of it. It has been shipped. And most of them, I bought a couple from Harbor Freight, most of them do require a little bit of jack oil to make them work properly. So you can see this first screw here, that's not the right one. I just wanted to show you that. The one you need to remove is up front, and that is the one that you'll actually add the jack oil to make sure you got everything bled, all the air out of it. And the reason you want to do that is you can tell when a jack has air. It's kind of wonky when you're trying to jack it. It's kind of jerky type of thing. Doesn't hold the weight properly. So it's a couple of safety issues along with that. But just add your jack fluid here, and you can see that I'm using, it has to be jack fluid, not regular motor oil. So put your jack fluid in there and just run it up till it's excess. Not the best pouring. But the first thing you want to do there is put a little pressure on, with your hand on it and jack the take the arm and jack it pretty rapidly for 8 or 10 times. But you can see she's going, as soon as you hit that jack handle, she's coming up. There is no jerky motion to it, and that tells me she's pretty much bled. If you did have to bleed it, you would let her go down and open that screw up again and let the air come out, and then add fluid again. So I'm replacing the 4 screws that go on the top cover. Get that done, and then I'm getting ready to show you exactly why you need a low profile. Here's the 2019 Camaro. I have a couple of Camaros, and both of them low to the ground. Here's the regular size Pittsburgh jack that I have, but you can see it's hitting the valence panel already. So look at the low profile. Before I got the low profile, I would actually have to run that Camaro up on a couple of 2x4s and then run it up on those black ramps to get up under it to be able to change oil or whatever. I can do it now with just a jack. So it's a good investment for you if you use low profile jacks in a lot of different situations. And again, when you catch it on sale, it's hard to get a 3-ton jack for $109. So it's a great buy. Harbor Freight's a place to get it. I've actually shopped the store in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. But check your local listings and see where your local Harbor Freight is. Also, I'll leave a link below to help you find Harbor Freight